I was just sent this 12-pack of reusable water balloons. These are some really neat silicone water balloons that actually have a magnetic closure. So they come like this, and you simply open it up where it has a ball. And then to use it, you just squeeze it. The water fills up under the water. Whenever you let go, it just closes and you are ready to go. These can be used up to 1,500 times. That's a lot of water balloons that you are saving just by using these reusable ones. So I'm gonna let my kids show you how it works. So here are these silicone balloons up close. They come like this, and all you have to do is simply invert the bottom part, and then you've got your top, and that just seals right shut. So now you've got your balloon, and when you put it underwater, you just squeeze this bottom part, the water fills up, and then it opens back up and magnetically closes. All right, let's show them how it works, kids. So these do come in a variety of different colors that you get in the set. And it has a nice little carrying mesh bag that you can store them all in whenever you're done.